When you say displays, are you talking about only the board or is there more to that?
Oh, great question. So in this case, I am sitting in front of our RP7505. So this is an interactive display. So the announcements can display across those, but we also have non-touch digital signage displays that broadcast can do as well. So if you have a campus that has interactive displays within classrooms, but then maybe you have non-touch displays in the hallways or in different office areas, gymnasiums, cafeterias, things like that, you can actually have the same messages go across both non-touch and interactives. Or you can even set tags. It's kind of like grouping devices, which allows administrators for the campuses to say these devices are in hallways or these devices are in offices versus these devices are in classrooms. And that way you can easily send out messages to multiple boards at one time, depending on their location. So you don't have to do just one at a time, or maybe there's a message that needs to go out in the hallways, but not necessarily the classrooms. You get to pick and choose which devices you can send to.